Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make tiramisu, the much loved Italian dessert, which is also included in my cookbook Green Recipes for All Mediterranean inspired vegan and vegetarian dishes, available to buy at all Amazon marketplaces. To know more about the book, just follow the links here on this video or across the channel. And so for this recipe's main ingredients, you'll need sponge fingers or ladyfingers biscuits, mascarpone cheese, double cream, strong coffee, and coffee liqueur. You can make a non-alcoholic version by just leaving off the coffee liqueur. First, make about 250 milliliters of strong instant coffee or espresso. Here, I'm using 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, to which I'm going to add hot water. Then, I'm going to pour the coffee into a shallow bowl and set it aside to cool. After this, pour the double cream into a medium mixing bowl and gently beat for a few seconds with an electric hand mixer, without getting too thick, just less runny. Then, add the caster sugar and vanilla extract and beat until you achieve a soft and fluffy consistency. This will happen quite fast, so make sure not to overwhip the cream, otherwise it will get grainy and curled. Now, put the mascarpone in another bowl with 50 milliliters of coffee liqueur and beat it till creamy and soft. Add this mixture to the double cream and gently combine well with a wooden spoon. After this, add another 50 milliliters of liqueur to the coffee bowl. We are now ready to assemble the tiramisu. For this, you will need about 250 grams of biscuits. Quickly dip each sponge finger on both sides in the coffee mixture until soaked, but make sure they do not get soggy, otherwise they will fall apart. Keep going until you have a single layer of soaked biscuits across the base of a medium rectangular dish. You can see in the text the approximate size of the dish I've used here. After this, evenly spread half of the mascarpone mixture on top of the sponge fingers with the help of the back of a spoon. If you wish, finally grate over a little dark chocolate. Repeat with another layer of soaked sponge fingers and finish with the rest of the mascarpone mixture. Now that the tiramisu is assembled, it will need to be refrigerated before serving. It's better to keep it in the fridge overnight, but in case you need to serve it sooner, refrigerate it for at least 6 hours. To serve the tiramisu, use a fine mesh sieve to dust it with cocoa powder and then cut it into individual squares. And that's it for today. As you can see, this is a delicious and very easy no-bake dessert recipe that is also perfect to serve with coffee. Thanks so much for watching, hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.